Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting up call forwarding on Samsung Galaxy. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the phone app and tap on the 3 vertical dots button in the top right corner. Then select Settings. In Settings, select Supplementary Services. Tap on Call Forwarding. Here you can choose when you want calls to be forwarded. My carrier doesn't allow calls to always be forwarded, or forwarded when unreachable. However, I can forward calls when I'm busy or when unanswered. Tap the option of when you want your calls to be forwarded. You can now tap the contact icon to choose someone from your contacts for your calls to be forwarded to. Or you can manually enter the number. When the number is entered, tap Enable, and your calls will be forwarded to the number that you entered, when you are busy or whichever option you chose. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung Galaxy tips and tricks.